5 mistakes I'm sure you've made by painting on a denim jacket. Hi, I'm Esther and I've been painting on clothes for the past 2 years. I'm sharing the fun projects and clothes I make on this channel, and you are very welcomed to join the journey. You probably clicked on this video because you paint on clothes and face a few obstacles along the way. You want to paint on clothes but afraid of making a mistake. You have problems painting on clothes and looking for answers. So here I am, sharing the top 5 mistakes you can make and how to fix them. Number 1. You don't wash your denim or wash it with fabric softener. Washing your denim is really important before painting anything on it. First, you have to get rid of all the small dirt particles so you can start with a clean surface. But never use fabric softener. Reasons being that it creates a plus layer on top of your fabric, so your paint won't stick to it. Number 2. Is your denim at least 70% cotton? If not, it is not for painting. Your paint sticks to the cotton part of the fabric. The higher the cotton, the longer it is going to last. Pick one with 70% or more cotton in it. Number 3. Using the wrong paint. Imagine yourself running into the store and buying the cheapest acrylic paint, thinking it has to do the job. Wrong. There are rules for the paints you can use on your denim, and here they are. You can use acrylic paint plus fabric medium, fabric paint. Have you already used acrylic? It is alright if you use waterproof acrylic, but know it will crack in the long run. Number 3. Not sketching. It is really important to sketch before painting on denim. Once you start using your paint on the denim, you cannot undo if you don't like it. Sketch beforehand and be prepared. Number 4. Not waiting for your paint to dry. I know. All of us are impatient, but you have to be patient with this one. If you apply a layer on top of a wet layer, it will never dry. So please just wait. Number 5. Skipping heat setting. Being so excited finally wearing your own design and realizing it is coming apart is sad. Just do the heat setting. Dedicating 5 to 15 minutes to it will be worth it in the long run. But unlike the previous ones, you can heat set your design anytime. And the plus one, sketching with pen. Nope, don't do this. Your paint picks up the pen underneath it, and you will never get rid of that ugly blue color. So which one of these have you already done? I'm thinking of shifting my channel's language to English. I haven't figured out translating on YouTube yet. So if you found this video helpful, please let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!